and welcome to my channel. Today we will be covering one of the many tutorials in my crochet basics series. This series will be covering the fundamentals of crochet, things like basic stitches, how to make a magic circle, and many other things. Today we will be covering the slip stitch. Now, in a lot of projects, you are going to be using the slip stitch to join various stitches, to form a circle, or sometimes just to make a decorative edge or the end of a beanie tighter. So I've pre-made about 5 half double crochets, and then I joined with an alternating color so that you could see a little bit more easier how the slip stitch works. So let's get started. So it's just a little slippy stitch. It's not like a single crochet or half double crochet where it's going to show length and height. It's mainly really just going to show kind of like on the side. So here we go. We're going to put our hook through the loop, pull this through. Now, instead of yarning over, and pulling through these loops like we do with a single crochet, we're just going to automatically take this loop and pull it like so. See if we can do that again. Through the loop, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through. Through the loop, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through. I'm hoping that you guys are having an easy time seeing this. I had a little bit of trouble trying to figure out how to show it more easily. Through the loops, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through the loop. One more. Through the loops, yarn over, pull through, and then through the loop. Now, if you look closely, it's showing up on the side. You can barely see it on the other side, and you can't even see it on the top. There's those loops right there from the half double crochet, and that is the slip stitch. Now, I'm going to take this out, and then I'm going to show you another way to do slip stitching, like if you were starting a project, instead of using a magic circle. Oops, caught my yarn the wrong way there. So we're going to be chaining, and then we're going to slip stitch to form a ring. So that's another way to use a slip stitch. So let's do the slip knot, and let's chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to slip stitch in the first chain space, to form a ring. So we're going to do the same thing we did that I just showed you in the half double crochet. We're going to slip our hook through that loop, snag up that yarn, pull it through the loop, and then pull it straight through instead of making a stitch. And then you can see that we've made a little ring, and you'll work your stitches around the ring if you're making like a hat or something. And that's just a little bit of an easy way to slip stitch and start a project instead of using a magic circle. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when the next video in my series will be posted.